Hi guys, today I have for you the video where I actually fixed something and I will be making money today on this phone. So let's watch it. So here I have another iPhone 6s, rose gold this time, condition is not great, buttons click, phone is not bent. So let's connect it to the charger. Have some kind of intake there. And by the charger even looks that phone is trying to charge battery or something like that. No image on the screen at all. Let's connect back again. Yeah. Alright, let's take it out and see. Okay, I didn't take the board out yet because I noticed the light water damage in the connector area. I say light because, you know, I saw a lot worse in these previous videos. Let's remove this sticker and check. Okay, so what we have here. Yeah, that's light water damage. You see it's already almost gone by the first clean. They have decently looking connectors. It's not too bad. This pin is gone. As you can see, the pin broke. Yeah, look at that, pin broke. This as well. So we will have to replace connector if the phone will be working. So let's see firstly if the image working. Yeah, we have 900 milliamps now. That's mean that battery is definitely charging. Yeah, like I thought, we have image but we don't have backlight. Here, Apple logo. So we have backlight. Well, we have image but don't have backlight. I would like to see if our phone boots and if we have Touch ID. Because even if we don't have a backlight, but we still can check for Touch ID. Because maybe there is no point even starting this phone. Otherwise I always do first and then waste a lot of time. And then Touch ID don't work or something else don't work. Yeah. Oh! We have backlight with this screen, so maybe that screen is just bad. That's why it's better to test first, make multiple screens. Otherwise I would have done, for example, chestnut or something like that, or LED driver, and I would thought I solved it, but it's not. It just was a screen replacement. Okay, phone is up. We have Touch ID message. Nice, very nice. But the button works. Button works, but we have Touch ID message. I think I used this screen yesterday and the Touch ID was working on this phone. On the phone I was using this screen, so this screen probably is okay. If this screen gives me same result, I will be checking the connector, and if the connector will be all fine, that means the Touch ID was replaced or not working. Yeah, we still have enable message there. First I will measure diode mode and then I will measure voltages. Yes, it is. Ground 600 almost, yes. Ground. Okay, we have shorted this. This is not supposed to be shorted. That gives reading of 500 and not short. Yeah, that's mean that Touch ID might be working, just the short circuit is somewhere. Okay, we have cap and filter on this side. Let's remove it straight away. Let's check again if we still have short. We still do. So where this filter goes? So this is the capacitor for that. Yes, it is. We remove this and we check again. Oh, we don't have short anymore, and we don't have Touch ID problem anymore. You see, Touch ID is recognized now. That's excellent. That's excellent. Okay, if it was just for a data recovery, would not need that. But anyway, this phone is supposed to be fully working one. So I will go now and restore it. So phone restored. Let's open 3U and check if we have IMEI number, and we do. We do have IMEI number. 16 gig. Okay. Let's now replace the connector that is broken, and we continue with the assembly and test. So sorry guys, I forgot to press recording when I was replacing the connectors. So what I had to do, I had to replace this connector because there was missing pins. There were few missing pins there, and I had to replace this connector because there was as well 2 missing pins. And while I was cleaning the glue around components, I knocked off the one filter and the second filter, so I put the jumpers there. Let's assemble and test now, because everything else looks fine. So I assembled the phone. I have here original battery, original camera, and original front flex there with a different screen. So let's see which parts I need to replace. So let's see if the cameras work straight away. Yes, cameras work. Let's see if we have focus. Yes, we do. Front flex, and front flex works. Proximity. Proximity works. Loudspeaker works. What about speaker? Speaker works. Yeah, 16 gigabyte success. Unlocked. Battery is 82%. That's okay. Touch ID works. Let's see microphone. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, microphone works, phone is charging. That's it. I will be ending this video here with this repair. All left is just to assemble the new screen there and clean the phone, and it's ready for sale. Okay, let's talk numbers. So this phone is iPhone 6s, 16 GB rose gold unlocked IMEI number ends with these digits. It was water damaged, and the phone actually was turning on, I would say so, but we had no image there. That was due to screen, and when I was fixing that phone I found out that board was shorted in the fingerprint area, so fingerprint was not working, but actual button was working. So I had to fix the fingerprint. It was successful, and then I replaced the screen and replaced few other components like connectors and things like that. Yeah, so repair wise I spent here 14 euro, so I just had to replace the screen. Battery was fine, or all other components was fine. Yeah, I will be spending here on charger as well, and due to condition this phone has scuffs all around, and color is faded somewhere. This phone will go as a C grade. It's kind of a bad worn grade. Yeah, so the money is different compared, for example, to the iPhone 6s that is B grade there. Yeah, anyhow, I'm making profit here. I will be selling that for 108 euro. It is 43 euro profit there and 89% on my money there. Totally I spent about hour and a half fixing that phone with assembly, disassembly, like that. Yeah, so CEX giving for this phone 108 euro, and it's a 16 GB rose gold iPhone 6s in the unlocked with a C grade there. I was thinking about upgrading memory, for example, to 128 to get a better profit there, because why not? But CX gives for 6S 128 gigabytes just 125. It is a 17 euro difference there, and it's just not worth spending 128 gigabyte flash drive on this phone and getting just 17 euro. I better upgrade 7 or 7 Plus, for example. So I will be ending this video here, and see you in the next one.